Yes, good morning, boys. Hello.
Sorry, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Yes. We will do the chapter related motion. Today I will do problems on rain, and we'll be doing the problems on the rain. And we should write a question on rain type question. Okay. Formula of relative velocity VAB formula is VA minus VB, but both vector difference. Vector difference you cannot subtract directly. Okay. And accordingly the direction and all will be decided. Like fraction of vectors. Write a question, from there you get idea. Okay. Walking, a man. Write a question. A man is walking. A man is walking on a road. Man is walking. A man is walking on a road with a speed with a speed 20 kilometers per hour. With 20 kilometers per hour, and and the rain is falling vertically downwards, and the rain is falling vertically downwards. Rain is falling vertically downwards with a speed of 4 kilometers per hour. With a speed of 4 kilometers per hour. To stop. Find the velocity of the rainfall. Find the velocity of the rainfall as observed by the man. As observed by the man. Observed by the man. Okay. So let us see how we can do this question. Let us suppose the man is walking on a road like this. This is the velocity of the man is in this direction. Velocity of the man. And the value is given 20. And you can add the value also here 20 kilometers per hour. And the rain is falling actually vertically downward here. Rain is falling like this. This is the velocity of the rain. Is like this, downward, vertically downward, with the value how much? 4 kilometers per hour. 4 kilometers per hour. What we have to find? We have to find the velocity of the rain as seen by the man. That is velocity of the rain with respect to the man, which is the observer. Who is the observer? We write like this: VRA equal to, we write as VR minus VM. We will be writing like this: VR minus VM. Let us draw a vector diagram for this equation and we'll find the resultant. You have to find the value of VR. Start from the origin. Origin is this. First is VR. VR will be downward here because positive. Don't change the direction of VR. Direction of VM we are supposed to change from the original direction. Original direction I am assuming like this. The direction of the man is changed like this, minus VM. Value of that VR value is how much? What is the value of VR? The value of VR is 4 kilometers per hour. The value of VM is 20 kilometers per hour. Where is the resultant? Resultant will be from initial point to the final point by a straight line here like this. This is the value of VRM. Let us find VRM by Pythagoras theorem. VRM square is equal to this square plus this square. I will do directly 4 square plus 20 square. Now we'll find the answer in decimal amount. Let us see what is the answer coming. VRM value will come 16 plus 400 with the root. 416 root. Check the answer. What is the answer coming? 41.416 root is coming how much? 20 point something. What is that? Square root 416.
So 20.39.
Okay, 20.39. You can add 4 kilometer after rounding off. I like 20.4 kilometer per hour. Is this enough, or we have to find direction also?
Direction also, sir.
Direction also, because velocity is asked there. No, if they are find the speed of the rain, that is answer. Speed means only magnitude. Okay, now we'll find direction. Rain time, no, we'll find the angle with the vertical line. Okay. Rain case, we'll find the angle with the vertical, because rain falls where vertical always downward or like this. So that time we'll be finding the angle with the vertical. Only rain case, angle will find with the vertical line. This angle I will find now tan theta. Because tan theta will be how much? Perpendicular by the base. 20 by 4 is coming 5. Therefore, theta value is coming tan inverse of 5. Tan inverse of 5. You can take the answer. Tan inverse 5. How much does it come in calculator? How much is it coming? Tan inverse 5. Please check.
78.69.
Okay, 78.69. I write 76.6 degree. Right here with vertical lines. Rain case, the angle we find with the vertical, and this other cases we find angle with the horizontal line. Okay, because rain never goes horizontal, no, but other body and all they move horizontally. That's why we find angle with the horizontal. Rain case, we always find angle with the vertical line. Just imagine what is happening here in this case. A man is moving like this, maybe in the car and not going like this, whereas the rain is actually falling like this, but both of them are in motion. Because of that, to the man, the speed of the rain will become faster. Actually, rain speed was 4 only, but now to the man who is in motion, the speed of the rain with respect to the man will become 20.4. Actually, speed was only 4, but now for this man, it will appear that the speed of the rain is 20.4 kilometers faster. And plus, actually the rain direction was downward, vertically downward. But to this man who is moving, so rain is appearing to come like this way. It is appearing to hit the man in this manner like this. If the person is carrying an umbrella, what direction he should keep the umbrella to protect himself from the rain? He must tilt his umbrella like this in the direction of the rain. Rain is coming like this, appearing to come in this angle. He must put his umbrella like this, then only he will be protected. If he keeps the umbrella straight, he will get wet because the rain is coming this way. No, rain for the person is coming this way. Actual direction of the rain is like this, but because of this, it is coming like this. You must have seen and observed also, like when you are in a car and it's raining, you know, the rain hits the windscreen this way, no, this way it hits the front, that glass, the front glass, the rain hits the glass in this manner like this, because your car is also in motion. Yes, when you stop your car, when you stop your car, you will find the rain is downward like this. But when the car is in motion, it is hitting like this. Am I right or wrong? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You see that when you are standing, you find the rain is falling vertically downward. But when you are running with the umbrella, you have to tilt the umbrella this way. Then only you can protect yourself from the rain. So exactly this thing happens. That means velocity of the rain with respect to the man value will be this much. That means to the man, the rain is falling faster than its actual value, and its direction is different from its actual direction. So this is the direction we are finding. If question asks you with what angle we should hold his umbrella to protect himself from the rain, we say this angle. With this angle, he should hold his umbrella. With the vertical line, he should tilt the umbrella in this direction. Hope you understood it. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now take another question. Take another one. Right. To a man, to a man walking on a road, to a man walking on a road with a speed.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Okay, to a man, to a man walking on a road with a speed 3 km per hour, 3 km per hour, 3 km per hour, comma, the rain appears to fall, the rain appears to fall vertically downward with a speed 4 km per hour, with a speed 4 km per hour. Stop. Find the actual velocity of rain. Find the actual velocity of rain.
So with the speed,
With a speed of 4 km per hour, 4 km per hour, comma, find the actual velocity of the rain. Actual velocity of the rain. Okay. Is the question understood? Have you written the questions fully? I'll explain to you what is happening here. Okay? Is your question complete?
yes, sir.
Okay. Man is walking, let us draw the man is walking in this direction with the velocity of how much? 3 km per hour. Let us write this. Okay. What direction the rain is falling? Rain is falling vertically downward. But this is the direction of the rain, or velocity of the rain with respect to the man. The man sees that the rain is falling downward. The man. During the motion, the man sees the rain falling vertically downward, which may not be its actual velocity, and actual velocity you have to find. That means to this man it appears. Appears means the relative velocity. Relative velocity of rain with respect to the man is given 4 km per hour, and the direction is vertically downward. The question says you have to find VR, actual velocity of the rain. You have to find VR is question mark. That is VRM is given, and they are asking to find VR value. Okay, let us write the formula of VRM. How do we write formula VRM? Write VRM equal to VR minus VM. This is the formula, no? VRM. We make VR the subject, whatever we have to find, we make that the subject. That becomes our resultant. So this will come this side, it will become that is VRM plus VM equal to VR. Whatever we have to find out, that we will be making the subject of formula. Now I'll draw a vector diagram for this equation. Let us draw a vector diagram and then find the value of VR. Resultant is VR now. Okay. I'll start from the origin here like this. First we say VRM plus sign, you can see any one X first. That doesn't make a difference. I'll see this one VRM. VRM direction is like this. I'll keep this direction VRM. This time plus is the sign that we will not change the direction. We'll continue in the same direction as VM without changing the direction. Please, I'll do it here. 3. VM will be here in this direction. Put the value of VM. The value of VM is 3. Put the value of VRM is 4. 3 km if you want, you can add 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour. Here is the resultant. Resultant will come like this. Here is the resultant VR. VR is the resultant. This we have to find. VR. Can we find VR by using Pythagoras? VR square is equal to VRM square plus VM square. Pythagoras, that means 4 square plus 3 square, 25. VR square is 25. Therefore, VR value is coming 5. 5 kilometers per hour. 5 kilometers per hour. Understood, boys? Yes.
Stop. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, is the answer complete or incomplete? Decide.
So incomplete.
Is the answer incomplete because question is saying find the velocity of the rain. The velocity must have direction also. We'll find the direction. How to find where to right angle theta with the horizontal line or with the vertical line? Tell me.
So with the vertical.
With the vertical, very good. Rain case only we find the angle with the vertical. So let us take this angle theta here, theta. Now I'll find the value here, tan theta. What is the value of tan theta coming? Perpendicular by the base. We can do directly 3 by 4. Therefore, theta value is coming tan inverse 3 by 4. And what is the answer of tan inverse 3 by 4? We can have this answer in calculator or we can read the answer in this format also. Yeah, 36.9 degree, I like 36.886. I'll round off and write 9. 36.9 degree with what direction mentioned there? With vertical. With vertical. I'll add the answer with vertical. 36.9 degree with vertical. Finish? Understood, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the question on rain will be handling in this manner. Very simple questions are there. Okay. So there are two types of questions. Maybe the relative velocity is given, and another case, relative velocity we have to find. That is velocity of the rain as it is observed by the man. Either that will be given or that we have to find. So there are only two cases in over here in the rain problems. Okay. All right. Now I discuss the river problem, crossing the river. Okay. First you understand, then I'll give the question. Okay. Let us take, this is a river bank, two banks are there, and river is flowing like this. River is flowing in this manner. River is flowing in this manner. Okay. Water is flowing like this. This is velocity of water is like this. Velocity of water is like this. This way the water is, we are assuming the water is flowing in this direction. So, river time, when the river flows out, there are two cases. We have upstream and we have downstream. Upstream and downstream. What is called upstream? Do you know what is upstream? In lower classes also you should do that. Upstream is against the stream, like this, against the stream. You are going against the current. You have to apply more effort. Am I right or wrong? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You are going against the current, then you have to apply more effort. Then only you will be able to either swim or if you are in a boat, you can sail the boat against the stream. Normally, upstream time, we subtract the speed of the boat or the speed of the swimmer minus the speed of the water. That we subtract. Am I right or wrong? There will be like velocity of the man with respect to water or velocity of the boat with respect to water we write. And downstream means both, I mean the boat or both, suppose the man is there, man and the river will flow in the same direction, in the same direction. So that time what happens? The person will have to give less effort, the stream is pushing the man faster there, the other side. That means speed value increases in case of downstream and speed value decreases against the stream, I mean in the upstream. If I say the speed of the man in still water, when we are assuming with respect to the water at rest is x and velocity of water is suppose y. Normally upstream time we subtract. Relative speed and the upstream time will be, that is velocity of man with respect to water upstream will be x plus y. And VMW value will be x minus y. X minus y in upstream and x, this is for upstream. And this is for downstream. I think you know this fact, isn't it? Yes or no? Tell me. Boys, understood this part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is in the upstream, we supply the speed, that is the speed of the man minus the speed of water, and in downstream time we'll be adding them. Isn't it? Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But this is the case now when the man will be somewhere here. Man is somewhere in the river and then is going either this way or going like this. Then only this formula is applicable. But when the man is at the bank over here at this point, at one bank, and he has to reach the other, cross the river and reach the other bank, then here the case of downstream and upstream will be like this. If he moves somewhere this side, now it is called upstream against the current. If he moves this way. And if he moves from here, either directly from here or anywhere this side, this is called downstream. If the man starts this way, actually, the man will be, the water will push the man, and the man will have to give less effort, and this becomes downstream. And when the person moves anywhere this side, on the left side of the vertical line, it is called upstream, this side, against the stream. So the case will be different, and we have to use vector formula. Okay. If the man has to reach a point exactly opposite to the bank here, the man must start somewhat like this way the man will start. Then the man will be pushed by the water and man will be reaching this point. And if man has to reach anywhere on the other side in the shortest possible time, that means the person will have to use the downstream. Downstream will start like this, then the person will be pushed by the water here. With lesser effort, the person will be somewhere in this side in the least possible time, lesser time. And here the person will have to give more effort, but the time duration will be large. Time will be large because person is going against the stream, upstream, against the stream. Then it will take longer time to reach this point because he has to swim against the stream. So these are the two cases. Okay, now start with the question, then you get a better idea. Okay, write a question. A man can swim. A man can swim in still water. In still, STILL, still water with a speed 5 kilometers per hour. With a speed 5 kilometers per hour. 5 kilometers per hour. We stop. 5 kilometers per hour from the south bank of a river. From the south bank of a river. From the south bank of a river. Whereas water is flowing due east with a speed 4 kilometers per hour. 4 kilometers per hour. We stop. Now, the man wishes to cross the river. And to reach the opposite bank, in the north, number one, along the shortest path, along the shortest path, and number 2, in the shortest possible time. Second part, along the shortest path, and second, in the shortest possible time. In the shortest possible time. Full stop. Find the direction. Find the direction and find the direction in which, just like find the direction in which he should swim in each case. He should swim in each case. Okay. For this we'll draw a diagram. Okay. Just have a look at it. We draw the figure first. Case 1. Case 1 talks about along shortest path. Question says that first case. Let us take this case. Along the shortest path, I'll draw the diagram. Reverse. Okay, this is the map we are following. I think normal map: west, east, south, north. Here. Where is the man standing in the building? At what bank? The man is at the bank, south bank over here. The man is here. Here is the man. Initial point of the man is here. Man has to, shortest path means this way the man has to come. Shortest path here. Man must come this way, like this. That is VRM must be like this. VRM must be like this. What direction does the river flow? Let us say V, velocity of water, W, VW is in this direction, and what is that value? Value is also given, no? VW is given how much? 3, 4. VW is given 4 km/h, whereas the speed of the man is how much? 5. Velocity of the man has to reach a point somewhere here. The man must start in this direction here, like this. The man must start like this way. Velocity of the man must be like this. Then only the man will be against the stream. The man will be pushed, and will be reaching here. Then there is a possibility that the man can reach here, this point. The velocity of the man, I like the value 5 km/h. 5 km/h. And velocity of the water, this is the velocity of the water. I'll just take this one. Velocity of the water will be like this. What is the value given? The value given is 4. Right here, 4 km/h. We have to find the direction he should start swimming. Direction will be here. Direction will be here, theta. Direction we are finding. Actually, direction you should find with the horizontal and okay, let us do like this. This is theta. This angle will take theta. So this angle will be how much here? Theta only. So use the formula alternate angle theta. Angle with the horizontal and you can find. So which formula you apply? Sine, cos or tan. Which formula you apply? In this triangle, what formula you will apply? Choose which formula? Sine, cos or tan. Tell me. Here is the angle. That means this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. I use sine theta. Yeah. There was a problem, guys, to know. Okay. Did you understand how I did now? Cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. I'll do 4/5. 4/5 and theta value will come 36.9 degrees. What direction do you call it? What direction is this? What direction is this? Northwest, sorry, northwest. Due northwest. This is answer. And if they ask you what is the velocity of what is the velocity of the man with respect to water, we like VMW or here. I made a mistake in writing. VMW, velocity of the man with respect to water. Then we'll use Pythagoras theorem and find this value. We'll use Pythagoras theorem and find out the value. But question is asking just find the direction. The direction is this one. This much degree due northwest. And here if question asks you find the velocity of the man with respect to water, then we can find this value by using Pythagoras theorem. 5 and 4, I'm sure the answer will come 3 here. 3. And in question if they ask you, suppose the width of the river is given 200 kilometers. Find the time in which he will be able to reach a point exactly opposite on the other bank. Find the time. The time formula will write distance by the speed, distance by the velocity. The distance value is this is the distance given 200 kilometers. And velocity value is this velocity. This velocity value we are finding by using Pythagoras theorem, and the value of which will come 3. So this will be the answer, 66 point something. This much hours. This much hours time it will take to reach the opposite bank. By chance, if we ask to find the time taken by the man to reach the opposite bank, then we'll find the value of this velocity, and because this distance is not the width of the river is here, this one. We'll divide and find the answer. Okay. Now, for that is the extra part of the question I just discussed. Now, we are doing the second case now. Draw the new diagram for the second case. Draw a new diagram. Draw a new diagram of the second case. Right here in the shortest time, second case. In the shortest time, in the shortest time we are doing now. So let us draw a diagram again like this way. This is the man is here, A, river is flowing like this, VW is like this. What is the value of VW given? Value is how much? 4 kilometers per hour. And now the man has to reach the opposite bank in a shortest time. So the man must start this way. Man must start this way. Velocity of the man must be like this. Then only the man will reach somewhere here this side. Then the man will reach somewhere there, but in a shortest time. This downstream. This is downstream time. The shortest time will take place. That means this will become VMW. Okay. Now direction we have VM value is given to us. VM value is given 5 kilometers per hour. Velocity of water, this is the velocity of water here, VW. VW value is given 4 kilometers per hour. We'll find the angle, this angle actually we want to find theta, so this angle becomes theta. Let us find the value. Which formula to apply? Tan you have to use, tan theta. Tan theta will be perpendicular by the base, we'll add 5 by 4. Therefore, theta value will come tan inverse 5 by 4. Get the answer in calculator. Find the answer in calculator. What is the answer in calculator? 51.3 degree. What direction? 50. Sorry. In this case, I made one mistake out here. In this case, direction only we have to find. No, only direction we have to find. What direction he should start? Exactly due. What direction is this? This is what he should start this way. He should swing this way. What is the direction? North. We just had the second case. The answer is due north directly without any calculation. Don't do any calculation. Just add due north. Due north. Finished. For second case, he should start directly opposite. Then only he will be reaching in the shortest possible time, shortest time, somewhere here. And if they ask you to find the timing, or if the width of the river is given, how much time it will take to reach the opposite bank, how much minimum time it will take for the person to reach the opposite bank, then you will do, this distance is known, 200, and this velocity is known, 5, will directly do 200 divided by 5, distance by the speed or distance by the velocity. So 200 by 5, the answer will come 40 km per hour. Second case, shortest time, no, the direction is direct. We can say this way we should start to reach the opposite bank in the shortest time. That is directly north. And if they ask you to find timing, then we can find time because this velocity, width is known. What is the velocity? This velocity known, psi. We directly divide and get the answer. But if question asks you find the value of velocity of the man with respect to water in that case, then we will be finding this by using Pythagoras theorem. And this answer will come anything but more than this value. If the speed increases in the downstream, then the answer will come more. Have you understood? Tell me or explain once again. Yeah. Yes, Saradhya.
Understood.
Tell me. Okay, now I give a question for you to try as homework, okay? You try it, and by chance you are not able to do, then I may discuss here in the class, or I may give you the solution in the WhatsApp group, okay? Please write a question, let us see. Write one question, right? A man standing at the south bank of a river, standing at the south bank, south, S-U-T-H, south bank of a river, south bank of a river, river of width, with 300 kilometers, comma, 300 kilometers flowing, 300 kilometers flowing, at a speed 40 kilometers per hour, due west. Full stop, right? The speed of the man in still water. The speed of the man in still water is 50 kilometers per hour. 50 kilometers per hour. Full stop. Now find number one, the time to reach a point, exactly opposite to the man, and number two, the shortest time to reach the opposite bank, full stop. Now next paragraph you write, find the direction of his swimming, in each case. Okay, that is the question. So these are the only tags here in the swimming track and all. Okay, they will not give the simple case of upstream, downstream. Rather, they will give a case like this, which I discussed just now. Okay, this question is your homework. Please try and let me know whether you are able to do or not. Okay, thank you. So this chapter is over. Okay, with this information, this chapter is over. We'll start new chapter. Now the chapter will become easier and easier now. Okay, thank you.